Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Fluent English Secrets. I'm so happy to see you here again. If you're new to this channel, my name is John, and I help English learners like you become fluent, confident, and natural speakers without fear or hesitation. Now, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you're studying English for months or even years, but still not improving fast enough? You read, you listen, you memorize, but when you try to speak, your mind just goes blank. Well, you are not alone. Every learner faces that moment. But today, I will show you the most powerful way to improve English fast, not with complicated grammar, but with a smart and practical method. So, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, keep a notebook near you, and let's begin our journey together. Part 1. Understanding real progress. Let's start by understanding what fast improvement really means. Most people think learning fast means finishing lessons quickly or memorizing hundreds of words in one day. But that's not true learning. Learning English fast means building real communication skills step by step, so you can think, speak, and understand naturally. Imagine a child learning to speak their first language. They don't study grammar books, right? They listen, repeat, and use the language every day, little by little. That's the secret. It's not about speed, it's about daily, meaningful practice. So the first rule of fast learning is simple. Quote, "Learn a little every day, but use it a lot." Close quote. Even 10 minutes of smart practice every day is more powerful than 3 hours once a week. Because your brain remembers what it uses, not what it reads once. Part 2. Why traditional studying fails. 4 to 5 minutes. Now let's talk about something many students do wrong. They study English like a school subject, not like a living language. They memorize word lists, they try to learn all the grammar rules, they watch English movies with subtitles in their native language. But they forget the most important part, speaking and using English. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle just by watching videos. You can watch hundreds of tutorials, but you'll never ride until you actually sit on the bicycle. The same thing happens with English. You don't become fluent by reading rules, you become fluent by using the language. So from today, promise yourself, I will stop only studying English, I will start using English. Target. Part 3. The secret tool. The shadowing technique. 7 minutes. Now, let me teach you the method that changed thousands of students' lives. It's called shadowing. Have you ever heard of it? Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say at the same time. You're like their echo. You follow their voice, rhythm, and emotion. Here's why it's so powerful. When you shadow, your brain learns to connect sound and meaning instantly. You stop translating in your head. You start thinking in English. Let me give you an example. If you hear the phrase, "How are you doing today?" instead of translating it, your mind just reacts. "I'm doing great, thanks." That's fluency. Shadowing helps your mouth, tongue, and mind work together like music. It's not just listening, It's training your speaking muscles. Part 4. Step-by-step guide to shadowing. 10 minutes. Let's break it down step by step so you can do it easily. Step 1. Choose the right material. Pick something short and interesting. Maybe a YouTube video, podcast, or even one of my lessons. Make sure it's clear and natural. If you're a beginner, choose slow, clear English. If you're intermediate, use normal speed. Step 2. Listen first. Listen to the clip 2 or 3 times. Don't speak yet. Just focus on rhythm and emotion. Ask yourself, where does the speaker pause? Which words sound stronger? What emotion can you hear? Excitement? Calmness? Surprise? This step is important because it helps you feel the natural rhythm of English. Step 3. Shadow slowly. Now, play the audio and try to repeat with the speaker. Not after them, but with them. At first, you'll feel it's too fast. Don't worry. Even if you miss some words, keep going. Focus on the flow, not perfection. Try this small practice with me now. I'm learning English every day. Repeat with me. Every day, my English gets better. Repeat again. I believe I can speak confidently. Say it with energy. Good. You're already shadowing. Step 4. Record yourself. Use your phone or any recorder. Speak for 30 seconds. Then listen to your recording. Compare it with the original. You'll notice your pronunciation, tone, and rhythm improving each day. Step 5. Repeat daily. Shadow one small clip per day, even for 5 minutes. This consistency is what makes the biggest difference. After 2 weeks, you'll start noticing your speech becoming smoother. After 1 month, people will notice too. Part 5. Thinking in English. Now let's talk about another powerful skill. Thinking in English. Most learners translate every thought from their native language. That's why speaking feels slow and stressful. To fix this, you must train your brain to use English directly. Start small. When you wake up, say to yourself, "It's a beautiful morning." When you're making tea, say, "I'm boiling water." When you're walking outside, think, "The weather is nice today." Simple, right? But it changes everything. The more you think in English, the faster your speaking becomes automatic. You don't need to search for words. They just come naturally. That's the magic of consistent mental practice. Part 6. The power of repetition. Let's repeat this golden truth. Repetition builds fluency. You can't say a word once and expect to remember it. But if you repeat it in real sentences 10 times, it becomes part of you. For example, take the phrase, "I'm getting better every day." Say it now. Say it again, louder, and again with more feeling. See? Every repetition makes it more natural. That's how your brain creates language muscle memory. So never feel bored repeating sentences. That's how fluency is born.
Part 7. Practice with me. 7 to 8 minutes. All right, let's do a mini speaking session together. I'll say a sentence, you'll repeat with me or after me. Ready? How's everything going? Pretty good, thanks. I've been practicing English every morning. Really? That's great. Yeah, I feel more confident now. Now with feeling, let's make it sound like real conversation. Hey, how's everything going? Pretty good, thanks. I've been practicing English every morning. Really? That's great. Yeah, I feel more confident now. Wonderful. Notice how natural it sounds when you speak with rhythm. This is exactly how native speakers talk. Smooth, connected, and full of emotion. Part 8. Mindset and confidence. 4 to 5 minutes. Now, let's talk about your mindset. Sometimes you'll feel stuck. Sometimes you'll make mistakes, and sometimes you'll feel shy to speak. But remember this: confidence comes from action, not perfection. Don't wait until your English is perfect to start speaking. Start speaking, and your English will become perfect. When you make mistakes, smile and learn. Every time you speak, you win a small victory. You don't need native perfection. You need communication, connection, confidence. That's what real fluency means. Part 9. Your 7-day challenge. 4 to 5 minutes. Let's put everything into action. Here's your small 7-day challenge. For the next 7 days, 1. Choose a short English clip, 1 to 2 minutes. 2. Shadow it every day for 10 minutes. 3. Record yourself on day 1 and day 7. 4. Compare the difference. You'll be amazed how much your pronunciation, speed, and confidence will grow in just 1 week. Comment on this video after 7 days and tell me your progress. I love hearing your success stories. Part 10. Bonus tips. 3 minutes. Before we finish, let me give you 5 bonus tips. 1. Use headphones. They help you catch every sound clearly. 2. Speak loudly. Don't whisper. Use your full voice. 3. Use English daily, even for small talk with yourself. 4. Watch English movies without subtitles once a week. 5. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language is like growing a tree. It takes time, care, and daily sunshine. Part 11. Final thoughts. So, my dear student, what is the most powerful way to improve English fast? It's not about studying grammar books. It's not about memorizing words. It's about using English every day through shadowing, thinking, and repetition. Remember, fluency is not a talent. It's a habit. Start building that habit today. Speak every day, listen actively, and keep enjoying the process. You are capable. You are improving. And you will speak English confidently. John, warm closing. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And remember, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. Until next time,
This is John from Fluent English Secrets. Goodbye and take care.